Hello everyone, chefamors here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is chefamors and I share food, lifestyle and skincare videos. You're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on my other social media platforms at chefamors. Let's dive into today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this simple soft melt in the mouth chinchin that is so easy to make, and I bet you already have the ingredients to make this in your kitchen. So let's get started. You will need some flour, sugar, eggs, powdered milk, baking powder, some butter or margarine, nutmeg, vanilla flavor, and then water. And obviously you will need vegetable oil for frying, but you can also bake it if you want to bake. So we'll start by adding our flour into a bowl, followed by the sugar. Basically you'll be adding all dry ingredients together and give it a good mix. So here I'm adding my butter. One important thing you need to take note is your ingredients should be at room temperature, okay? Everything should be at room temperature. Your eggs, your butter, your water, everything should be at room temperature. If your water is cold or your butter is cold, it will affect the final result, okay? So basically I'm going to mix in my butter into the dry ingredients until I have a crumbly like a texture. If you know how to make pies, you know that we use cold butter and water to make pies. But in this case, you need everything to be at room temperature. Please don't forget this important step. So after that, I'm adding my wet ingredients, my eggs, water and vanilla flavor. You can use the powdered one if you don't have the liquid vanilla flavor. You can use the powdered one, and it's very much easier to even get at the market. So basically I'll be mixing everything together until it forms a big dough. Okay guys, so if there is any video you want me to record for you, please comment down below the next recipe you want me to record. And also if you have any question regarding this particular recipe, just comment down below and I will reply as soon as I can, okay? So just keep kneading until it forms a ball, a dough like this. Then you set it aside and move to the next step. So here I'm just dusting my work surface with flour. And then I'll roll it flat and then cut it into the desired shape I want. You can do long strips, you can do cubes, you can use cutter to cut it into heart shapes, circles, animal shape. Anyhow you want it, you can do it. And this particular chinchin recipe is suitable for old people that love soft chinchin, but please reduce the quantity of sugar that I've used in the recipe. And also don't forget to, if you want a super hard chinchin, you should reduce the quantity of baking powder that I've added, okay? So basically you will just roll, trim the excess rough edges, and then cut out into the desired shape. I have about 6 chinchin recipe that inshallah before the next Eid I'll share all these recipes with you guys. All I need from you is please don't forget to share with family and friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, because most of my viewers, based on my analytics, don't subscribe, they just watch and go. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also follow me on my personal page on Facebook at chefamors, on TikTok at chefamors, and also most importantly on Instagram at chefamors, because some small quick recipes that I will be sharing, I'll be only posting them on my TikTok and Instagram, because the videos are not that long for me to share here, especially of mocktails. So just go follow me there so you won't miss anything from me. So here I'm cutting it into long using my pizza cutter. Of course you can use knife. Yes, you can use knife for this particular step. And if you don't have a rolling pin, you can use the bottle, Coke bottle, champagne bottle to roll it flat. Just make sure it is of the same thickness. For this recipe, I use 1 mudu of flour, that is about 8 cups of flour. You can reduce the quantity for a smaller batch or increase the quantity for a larger batch, okay? Just make sure they are even, uniform in size. I love perfection. I love when my things are perfect, so just aim for perfect cut. And basically we'll start frying. You fry your chinchin in hot oil, and you need to keep stirring it so that it cooks or fried evenly. Here we'll just wait for the oil to get hot, and then we start frying. So one important thing to consider or take note when frying your chinchin is you should not overcrowd your pan. That's number 1. Don't overcrowd your pan. That is adding too much chinchin into the oil. It will suck oil. How will I even put this? Zai shanye miki oil ɗinki. It will suck oil and your chinchin will be too oily. So what you need to do is just put, or let me say fry in small batches, okay? And the next step is you should fry your donuts in a large deep pan, not a frying. You can use frying pan, but I will recommend using a pan like this that is at least deep and has can accommodate much oil than that of the frying pan. So you need to keep stirring when you add your chinchin so that it fries evenly. You don't want some of them getting fried and some of them being white, okay? You need to stir it to make sure they are frying evenly. You will love this recipe. I assure you will love it. So basically you just wait for it to get fried. And also another important step is your chinchin might look like a little bit brown, not too brown in the pan, but once you remove it from the oil and allow it to rest, it becomes darker. I don't know, I've experienced that myself. So once your chinchin is brown, at least noticeable brown, just remove it from the oil and allow it to, cool down. It the this and the darkness will be more as it cools down. If I don't know if that's making sense. Abin da nake nufi a nan shine idan cincin ɗinku ya ɗan soyu za ku iya kwashewa. Idan kuka ijiye shi zai ƙara yin duhu ya ƙara yin kyau. Shima, it's another important thing for you to take notice. So as usual, don't forget to subscribe, share my videos with family and friends, and also comment down below which other new recipe you want me to record. And also you can ask me any question regarding this recipe in the comment section below. Thank you. So yanzu dai gashi nan na kwashe. So I will just allow it to cool down and then you package it in an airtight container. This is very important. Airtight container, but it has to be completely cooled down before you package it, okay? So this is it. This is our soft, milky, melt in the mouth chinchin recipe, Amor's way. Thank you guys for watching.